Hey there, my friend, welcome. This is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder here at the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. And a lot of people believe that the best kind of exercise when you want to lose weight and burn fat is to go do cardio, to go hop on the rowing machine or the treadmill. And although that can be helpful, the most effective kind of exercise for losing weight and burning fat is actually called metabolic resistance training. MRT, which is essentially taking some of the best strength training workouts like squats and rows and push-ups and combining it into a circuit with very little rest in between. And the reason this is so effective is you're actually activating your muscles and you're building some strength and you're building some muscle and you're burning a lot more calories because you're going to burn more calories doing high intensity squats and rows than you will just putting along on a treadmill. So this is why my Fit Father Project team and I decided to put together this workout called the 10-10 Burn, which is truly a butt kicker. And this whole week we've been doing new exercise videos for you. So earlier this week we did a full body superset strength training workout. Today is all about the 10-10 Burn metabolic resistance training. So here's what we have on the docket today. We're gonna quickly cover how this workout works. I'm gonna give you like the overview. Then we're gonna hop behind me here in our gym and I'm gonna demonstrate a set of each of this. And I'm gonna give you a challenge based on these numbers to really apply this workout into your life this week. And the best thing is all you need for this workout is a pair of dumbbells or kettlebells and around 6 feet of floor space. So I know you're gonna love this workout. Let's dive on in. All right, so the 10-10 Burn, this workout is a butt kicker. And the way this workout starts is we're gonna start off with a squat press. So we're gonna take our dumbbells or kettlebells, we're gonna rack them on our shoulders, and we're gonna squat down, and after we squat back up, we're gonna push into a shoulder press overhead. Amazing exercise, right? Because we're doing basically like a front squat and a shoulder press. So your core, your legs, your shoulders, all are involved. We're doing 10 reps. Immediately after the squat press, we're gonna go into a bent over row. So we're gonna take those same dumbbells, kettlebells, flip them down, hinge at the hip. We're gonna do rows to activate your back, your core, and your biceps. Again, 10 reps, hence 10-10. Our third exercise, we're gonna put the weights away, we're gonna hop right on the floor, and we're gonna do push-ups to burn, AKA failure. As many as you can do. It'll probably be somewhere around 10 because you're gonna be pretty gassed from those other two. After the push-ups, we're gonna get up, we're gonna grab those weights, and we're gonna do a deadlift. So probably more of a stiff style deadlift, and I'm gonna show you the exact form tutorial in just a second for 10 reps. And finally, we're gonna do our burn with our final exercise, which is a Renegade Row. We're basically in a plank position with those weights, and we're rowing one up, and we're rowing the other one up. It's really more of a core exercise than a row, and we're gonna do those to failure, so hence the burn. So 10-10 burn, 10 burn. And this is one complete cycle. So we're gonna do all these exercises without resting in between. I mean, if you need to take 10 seconds breather, that's totally fine, but you wanna keep these things quick. After you finish one whole circuit here, you need to rest for anywhere from 1 minute to 2 minutes just to catch your breath, and then you're gonna begin the cycle again. So here is my challenge for you before I actually demonstrate this. If you can get 1, 2, or 3 sets, I consider that the beginner level of the 10-10 burn. It's an amazing first step, and it really will. You know, you could do this 10-10 burn 3 sets in, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and it'd be a really great workout. It will boost your metabolism. Intermediate are 4 and 5 sets. Advanced, 6 to 7, and you are a crazy person who I absolutely love if you can get 8 sets of this 10-10 burn, and if you can, comment below and let me know, and also let me know the weights you use. So without further ado, let's hop behind me here. I'm gonna grab some dumbbells, kettlebells. I'm gonna demonstrate 1 set on each of these. I'm gonna set you loose to try the 10-10 burn this week. I know you're gonna love this. Let's hop over to the gym. All right, welcome to the exercise demonstration of the 10-10 burn. So before we get into the first exercise, which is that squat press, the first thing we need to talk about is how much weight should you be using. We need to pick a dumbbell or a kettlebell weight because we can do this entire workout with a pair of dumbbells or a pair of kettlebells. And what I would suggest is we need to pick a weight that you can do shoulder presses with for at least 10 reps. So if you know that you're just starting out with this, I'd probably recommend you start this workout out with 10 to 15 pound dumbbells. If you've been strength training for a while, you might be using more of like 20 to 25s. And if you're looking to go very heavy on this, I dare to use 30 or 35s. That would be one heck of a workout on the 10-10 burn. And I would recommend you kind of err on the side of going lighter because again, the point of this is to get through this circuit multiple times, not to do it once and it's so heavy that you're totally burned out and can't go again. So I'm gonna demo this here and I'll start off by showing you the dumbbell versions here. So first exercise is this squat press. So I'm gonna grab these dumbbells, I'm gonna bring them up safely, I'm gonna rack them on my shoulders here. This is the starting position here of the squat press. You can rest them on your shoulders, you wanna keep it nice and secure. Now on this squat, shoulder width apart, 10 reps here. I'm gonna keep my spine, make sure I'm staying upright and not hunching forward here. So 10 reps on the squats, down, squat, up, press, down, squat, up, press, down. 3, 4, 5, from the side, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now that we've done the squat presses, we're gonna go right immediately to a bent over row. So we're gonna grab these dumbbells right here. We're gonna get a flat back just like this, 10 reps. Pull up for 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and slow, 5, 6, 7, pinch those shoulder blades, 8, 9, and 10. Put the dumbbells aside. We're gonna get right into the push-ups. So, slightly within shoulder width here. Get into a good plank position. Drop your butt. Flash those elbows forward. Heads aligned. 10 push. We're gonna do these to the burn, so 10, 10 burn. I'll stop there for the purpose of the demo, but I want you to go to near failure. That might be another 10 push-ups, whatever it is, and get to the burn. So let's say I did 30 push-ups there. Next thing, deadlifts. I'm gonna grab my dumbbells or my kettlebells. You can use either. For the purpose of this next portion, I'll just show you with the kettlebells. Grab these puppies. Get them right by your feet. Nice flat back, kind of like that beginning of that row position. And we're gonna come right on up. 1, a little bit of active recovery. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze your glutes, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Immediately to Renegade Rows. So these are probably the hardest exercise in this whole series. I like to do these with dumbbells personally. What we're gonna do is get into a plank position here. We're gonna do these to burn, which means to failure. Drop yourself right on down, get these nice and tight, get a wider base. Row, row, push up, row, row, push up, row, row, push up, row, row, push up, row, row, push up. Now, if you can't do Renegade Rows on your toes, you do them on your knees. Row, row, push up. Same concept. Row, row, push up. Once you get to failure, you're gonna pause. Catch your breath for 1 to 2 minutes, or repeat the cycle. Again, 10 of the squat press, 10 of the bent over rows, burn out on the push-ups, 10 deadlifts, burn out on the Renegade Rows. That'll be your second cycle. You wanna keep on going. Probably if you can set a timer, do around 30 minutes to 40 minutes. See if you can work your way up to the sets of 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8. So, all right, my friends, so that's the 10-10 burn. It is one heck of a workout. It's simple, but deadly effective. And don't be afraid to use different style weights throughout this workout. If you find that you're only able to shoulder press, let's say the 15s or the 20s, but on the deadlifts, you feel like you could be going up to 35s, then you can use different weights throughout the 10-10 burn. The key is to keep the exercises moving fast and maybe not even putting out down the dumbbells or the kettlebells altogether as you work your way all the way through, with the exceptions of the push-ups. The hardest exercise in this is definitely that Renegade Row. So as you're rowing, make sure you're pushing with that opposite hand. It's almost like a row press, push up. You're really gonna get a strong core from doing this workout. What I recommend in terms of like building this into an actual routine is you do this 10-10 burn twice this week. Maybe once on Monday or Tuesday, and you rest a couple days, and you do it once again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometime throughout the weekend. This is a strength training exercise too, in addition to the cardio. It's a metabolic resistance training, so you don't want to do it this back to back because you are working your muscles and you want to make sure you have time to recover. And if you like this and you want more free workouts, then subscribe to our Fit Power Project YouTube channel. We literally have hundreds of videos all over the channel with free workouts like this. And earlier this week, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, we published a full body strength and muscle building specific workout using supersets. So you can check that. It's all on the channel, and when you subscribe, you're going to get notifications when you check that little bell when we publish new videos. We publish around 1 new video per week. We have around 500 on the channel covering free workouts. All the perfect form tutorials for all the exercises we just went through. How to eat healthy, how to grocery shop, how to get and stay motivated, how to get your family healthy too. We are the Fit Father Project and the Fit Mother Project. This is what we do. So thank you for being here, my friend. If you like this, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, drop me a comment below and let me know what your weight was that you did this workout and how many cycles you got. I would love to hear about that. And additionally, we have some amazing free resources linked in the description. If you want more help with your nutrition and you want to burn some fat and lose some weight, then download our free 1-day weight loss meal plan for men. I'm going to show you on video exactly what to eat for breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner. And I'm actually going to send you to your email a PDF of the meal plan so you can actually start doing this week. Absolutely amazing, 100% free. Over 150,000 guys have already downloaded that. You can get that too. There's also a free 24-minute metabolism boosting and fat burning workout that's similar to this, just even a little more challenging. We'll send that to your email as well. Or if you really want to focus on muscle building, then we have the 5 best muscle building video that gives you the 5 best strength building exercises, how to do them safely on your joints, and how to put them together into a program. Again, we'll send that straight to your email. So a lot of great stuff in the description. Make sure to check that out. Drop me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this stuff. And we'll see you around the Fit Father Project channel, my friend, and I'll talk to you very soon.